In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add clickable links to shapes and text in draw.io diagrams for Confluence. By the end of this video, you'll be able to link diagram elements to Confluence pages, websites, or email addresses, making your diagrams more interactive and easier to navigate. Start by opening the Confluence page that contains your draw.io diagram, then click Edit to enter editing mode. Select the diagram and click Edit to open it in the draw.io editor. Next, click the shape or text you want to make clickable. Once it's selected, press Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac. You can also right-click the selected object and choose Edit Link. In the link dialog, enter the destination you want. You can paste a Confluence page URL, an external website, or use a mail to link, followed by an email address if you want the link to open an email client. After entering the link, click Apply to save it. Repeat the same process for any other shapes or text that need links. When you're finished, click Save, then save and close to update the diagram on your Confluence page. Your linked shapes and text are now clickable for anyone viewing the page. That's all there is to adding links to shapes and text in draw.io diagrams for Confluence. Thanks for watching.